Please, every time you get paid, the AI Payday Routine for 2026, the moment your paycheck hits your bank account, a countdown begins. You have 15 seconds, that's it, before your brain starts making terrible financial decisions. In those 15 seconds, most people have already spent the money in their head on takeouts, new shoes, or something sitting in a shopping cart, just in case. If you don't have a system, you are what experts call a financial sleepwalker. Any money, but never building wealth. Today, I'm showing you the AI-enhanced payday routine that puts you ahead of 90% of people financially by treating your paycheck like a wealth-building tool, not a surprise gift. Hello, Billionaire Farm. Welcome to AI Money with Remy. My name is Remy. On this channel, we teach how to use AI tools to create passive income, build digital businesses, and grow your wealth through smart finance strategies. The place where we make money smarter, not harder. Step 1 is boring and it's non-negotiable. You must know exactly how much your income goes to true necessities. Not things you like, not things you are used to. I mean, housing, basic food essential, transportation, health care. Here is the rule. If more than 60% of your take-home pay goes to necessities, something is broken. Either you are living somewhere too expensive or you're calling luxuries needs. Example, if you take home $4,750 a month, your essentials should sit around $2,700. Be brutally honest here. AI budgeting tools can help categorize expenses, but you must decide what's a want and what's a need. Your future freedom depends on this distinction. Step 2, protect your financial reputation. Before spending $1 on anything optional, you protect your reputation. Your credit score is not just a number, it's your financial ID. It affects where you live, what jobs you can get, what interest rates you pay. Here is the scary part in the credit system. The margin for error is razor thin. 99% on-time payments, you're good. 97%, your score can collapse. So your payday routine must always cover minimum debt payments first. This is the foundation. No foundation, no wealth. Step 3, the liquid boring emergency funds. Next, you build psychological safety. Your emergency fund should be liquid, boring, untouched, not invested, not exciting, not in crypto. It belongs in a high-yield savings account. This goal is 3 to 6 months of living expenses, but you don't jump there all at once. Use the tiered approach. Tier 1, save your first $1,000 fast. This stops small problems from becoming disasters. Tier 2, hit $2,000. Studies show this alone boosts financial well-being by 21%. Tier 3, reach $10,000. This is the neutral shift. Stress hormones drop. A car warning light becomes an inconvenience, not a financial emergency. Step 4, claim your free money. Now we build wealth. Your first investment priority is not stocks, it's not crypto, it's not real estate. It's your employer match. This is free money. If your company matches 3% and you contribute $1,800, they give you another $1,800. That's a 100% return on day one. You cannot beat that anywhere in the market. Even if you have debt, get the full match first. This is non-negotiable maths. Step 5, kill high interest debt and optimize taxes. Next, you eliminate financial cancer. High interest debt, especially credit cards, often charges 22% or more. Trying to invest while carrying that debt is like running a marathon with a backpack full of rocks. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay the minimum on everything. Attack the highest interest rate first with every extra dollar. Once that debt is gone, you enter the tax optimization zone. 2 powerful tools: IRAs, more control, lower fees, better long-term efficiency. HSAs, the secret weapon. If you qualify, this is a triple tax advantage. Tax deduction going in, tax tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses. This is elite level optimization. The final step, automate everything. This is where most people fail. Willpower is unreliable. By Thursday night, you won't feel like moving money manually, so you remove emotion entirely. Here's the system. Let your paycheck sit for 1 day to clear. On day 2, automatic transfers fire. Savings, emergency fund, investments, and update your flight plan. When you get a raise or pay off debt, redirect that money immediately into investments. Do not inflate your lifestyle. Follow this system for 5 years and you won't wonder where your money went. You will watch your snowball roll downhill. At the beginning, building wealth feels hard because you're doing all the work. Later, your money does the work for you. That's when the snowball rolls downhill. If you are done financial sleepwalking, subscribe for more AI-powered money systems. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.